Guys, it's gin. It's ours. No one else is allowed to have it. No one else is allowed to have that phone.
I wonder if I just ask my mom.
Prince of Egypt, Pretty Woman, and Jurassic Park film.
Look, man.
Pretty Woman was.
Let's get meteor.
Pretty Woman was us.
Or the Mothman prophecies. Mothman.
Very true, actually. Oh my god, wait, that's me. The House of Shark.
Me and Dimon in the bed like.
Yeah! Come on! That's my baby! Yeah! Hot! Hot! Hotter! I like this stuff. That stuff's really pretty. I like this stuff. Mommy up! Oh, 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 oh.
They're looking tired up there. They it sound tired.
Hey, hey, oh, hey, hey,
I fill this here sock with baked beans every day and squeeze the beans so the juices leak through the fabric, and I lick it like a cat or a hamster who needs their drinks. Like a cat or a hamster.
They told Mr. David to expect you to come back. And it's because I'm letting you know, eat right.
I'm about to record them recording me.
How y'all doing? Hey guys, Zach here. So today we're gonna drink some nasty shit.
I like how you're not. Never.
Drink it.
Oh, I gotta explain what it is first. So it's a French vanilla cappuccino mixed with, what the fuck is this?
He's stalling.
Root beer or something?
It's like Coke or something.
Mixed with Coke.
And
mixed
then
with
raspberry
tea and salt and pepper. So down there. You got it. Shot. Out of 10.
There's no way it's that bad.
You want some? You want some?
Out of 10, what was it?
It is terrible.
I want a snack.
Oh my god. You can taste the salt and the
It
pepper.
smells good.
You
Oh
can
no
taste
shit, because the
each
salt and the
indivi-
pepper's on the
You
top.
you can taste each individual flavor.
Dude, I'm not trying. I'm scared.
Try it.
This is like the smoothie challenge.
Yeah, mix it and try it.
Dude, ew, look at that. Why did it do that? What is it? What? It was like there's ice in it.
Bro, it is ice from the soda.
Alright.
That's fucking disgusting.
Cut it.
bro.
Look at the house. Oh, look.
That was that one night.
Look at the houses. Pause. Pre-K pause. Pre-K fucking pause. What did you say?
I said it doesn't want to move. There you go.
Bro, you good?
Dude, it doesn't want to fit through the gap.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Dry lube?
There we go.
Bitch.
Oh, good.
I'm telling you, bro. This was a struggle here, dude.
Bro, it has not moved.
Yes! Yes!
Can you,
Yes! I did! I've conquered the man.
But the thing is, can you get out now?
Yes,
Yeah,
try not to rip ass when you're moving forward, okay?
Chill.
I'm good.
Oh, he's done it.
He has conquered
He ate that up.
infancy.
Infancy.
You don't understand the struggles of putting that shit through here, dude.
Yeah, crazy, because I do it like all the fucking
Well,
time.
I'm not a father, am I?
She said, well, I'm
Not a father.
I'm not a
Father. Am I?
Picture, come on. Aiden, get your ass in my picture.
Reaction time. Okay. Alright, okay. I'm not gonna look. I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. Okay. Alright. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I got Chris! Oh my god, wait, I'm gonna come. Who is this? Is this someone?
This is a bubble.
What? Oh. Oh. Wait, there's more photo cards! Bitch. Oh shit, wait. Big baby! Changman! Felix! I'm going to piss and shit everywhere! I got my... Me when I get my bias line! I got the bias... Okay, people are looking at us.
I don't give a fuck.
I do. Okay.
They're looking at some sort. I don't care.
Fuck. I got my bias line. Wait, who's the stickers? Is this Sungmin? I think this is Sungmin.
I have the chair bed.
Oh. Is this Sungmin?
I think I got Chungdon.
Did you hear my big boy?
Oh, it's bang time. It's bang
I think it's like a Sungmin. Sungmin! Oh, wait. He's so cute. He looks so cute.
He winked at me. Am I ever gonna use this? No.
Jisung! Ah! Who'd you get?
Hold on. I got Lino. I see you.
Home!
Shit.
Jisung. Is this the heart version? It looks like it is. But there's a heart there.
The bedazzle.
Jisung! Oh my god. Girl, I'm about to
I'm combusting.
bust in that. What's in here? Changbin!
There's more in here?
Yeah, you gonna miss it.
Oh, it's me again.
I'm Can I be your boyfriend? Yeah, you can. Looking like that. Bitch, looking like this, you could.
Jeez. I like how everything's like a mix of bubbles and hearts and shit.
See, we're not even
It's a
mad.
mix of everything.
We're not mad at the go anymore.
No.
Bitch, I'm not mad. I got my baby.
I got 3 Sungmins. Wow.
I got all my biases.
Damn.
I'm not complaining. I'm happy.
All the Sungmin biases are killing me.
I'm glad that I got Felix for something. That is my holy man. Look how cute he is. He looks kind of...
The contacts are throwing
The
me off.
contacts are kind of crazy.
I'm gonna put everything in the envelope.
Me too. This postcard is so
Ain't nothing
cute.
falling out. I know.
That is literally adorable. No, Twittery though. Twittery.
Twiddly.
Twittery. Okay, wait. What else?
Everything in here.
What else comes in this bitch? What is this? Tea Crush. Oh, this is the tea version. Oh, it's like the lyric thing.
Who's ready to look at my mother?
The poster was the reason why Sierra didn't want this version. That is the only reason. Maybe it's not that bad in person. Okay, it's not that bad in person.
Plus, you do if you look close, you get.
You
I don't like this
do-
hat.
You
It's like a
do
little
get
cone.
shirtless.
I love. Look at Ayan's top. Wait, what's going on with your pants?
Wait, look at Hyunjin and Jisung in this. I could wait. Hold on.
What's going on with his pants?
Oh, Mama, I don't need
That's
the
what
shirt.
I noticed.
I don't need the shirtless. I have fucking his belt.
I have fucking his.
Oh, Felix.
Yo.
Yo, I'm a little in danger. I'm a little twisted. Let me look at the photo book. Hold on.
That's what I'm about to do.
Damn, bitch. Y'all seeing him? Hold on now. Okay, but like I love the Go photo book though. I will say, as much as I hate it, girl, I get the lollipops.
Shit.
Oh wait, look at Hyunjin. Why is he so cute?
Cause he is.
Girl.
Oof, mama.
We're not complaining.
Oof, mama.
We ain't
No, you.
Oh!
Oh!
He in a bubble bath. He bubbling. Oh, mama, you won. Wait, or did I?
You won. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to yourself
No,
either.
no, because I really like the Go version. I wanted
Your
that
hat's
first,
really
but then
bad,
the
Bubby.
fucking hats and poster ruin it. Y'all.
Mama.
He looks so delectable. I
Suddenly,
want...
I'm in a Sailorman.
Okay, wait, but Lee now hitting me right now.
No, because
He looks like Byung-gyu, kind of. And I think that's... Words cannot be... He looks cute with the hat!
no,
Changbin-
because look. Oh, he has flowers tied.
Okay, but Changbin looks cute all the time, so, like, does that count? No.
You don't count. You're perfect. Oh,
Changbin, okay. Oh my god. I love... Do you... Oh, shit. Suddenly I like the Go version. You know, I'm not
the
complaining.
poster really. It's just.
The poster throws... Jeez, hung. Oh, his curly hair. Guys, I think the Go version's good. I hate to be like, and I used to be a hater, but...
Oh.
I used to be a hater, but now I'm kind of a lover. Because I will say, Jisung does look really fucking cute. Oh, they look cute. Oh.
When the fuck did Ayan grow up?
True, I
Pissing me
remember his little braces and shit. Like,
I remember going, little baby.
like,
What?
isn't he our age? Or he's like close? Or
He's our age.
yeah, that's like
Shit.
ma'am. Anyways,
Pretty sure he's like a year older,
Maxon
too.
album is good. I do like the Maxon
I'm
album.
pretty sure it's 2002. Yes, good album.
The Maxon album is good. I think Chill and Taste are my favorite songs. What about you?
3 Racha and probably Taste.
I really like Taste.
By memory wise. Although I really do love Superboard.
Superboard is
Da-da-da.
good. But overall, solid 8, 9, actually 10 out of 10. At least for mine.
Oh, there it is.
10 out of 10. I love it.
Um,
I don't think it's single skip. If I'm being honest.
no skips.
No skips.
Song wise, 10 out of 10. My album wise,
The poster is just a little freaky.
8 out of 10.
Really? What about 8.5? Because of the photo cards and stuff.
Okay, the photo cards are really good. 8
And the photo book is good.
it's just some of the outfits are kind of funny.
8.75. I feel like giving it 8.5.
8.75, just because the posters and the outfits are kind of funky.
But overall, it's not a regrettable purchase.
No.
Because they look good. I do.
He looks like he came from an anime.
I
With
know.
The gloves.
I love the hat though, because
Okay,
I want that hat.
Where's Ian? Because
Ian looks very good.
he does, but the
I got
what's
the.
going on with the jeans and why does it look like he has double jean? White jeans plus blue jeans, and then he has a rope.
I got the
around him.
T version, and we tried to get the heart version for Sierra, but they didn't have it.
They
so
only had go. and
they
we
only
went
had
to
go,
3 Targets.
and I would have given her T, but I did claim it beforehand, and I did drive here. I drove 30 minutes here.
Yes, you did.
If
And
you would have,
that's why when you said, "Do you want to make girl?"
if you would have driven 30 minutes, I would have been like, no, you take it. But because I did, and I have to drive 30 minutes back in the night, I'm not upset with my purchase. This is the one I wanted. You're not upset with your purchase, even if it's not the one you wanted.
No,
I'm so
good with it
content.
still.
I'm glad that they give us 3 photo cards, because I got my bias line. Felix looks kind of scary in my photo card, I will say.
He does.
He looks really scary.
I'm very glad I got Jisung.
And Hyunjin. No, that's not Hyunjin.
That's Ian.
That's Ian. I thought it was Hyunjin. Oh, Hyunjin's blonde. Hyunjin is a bias line of mine, but I didn't get him, but that's okay. Is that going on the back of your phone? Is that going on the back of the phone?
Jungkook, you might have to move your ass. Wait.
Wait,
Although he is making a little heart, and I don't want someone to look at me and be like, "Girl."
No, but like, it's a moment though. But like, I got so much Changbin. I'm like so happy right now.
I got some.
Wait, we can both have hearts.
Oh wait, they're going the same way though.
They are, but like still. You can be like, oh, who are you?
Sit down. Don't worry.
Oh, wait.
See, he's just a little silly.
Why is it a circle?
They're just a little silly.
Make it on. Guys, we were so silly in the fucking Target.
Girl. Oh my god, I forgot I got you.
Oh, yeah.
Is it truly a lose when you have him doing this?
Oh, wait! The other photo card! Who did you get for that, Sungmin? Okay, guys, I love Felix, but this photo card is kind of scary, Felix.
They just all kind of.
I
No, yours make a heart, mine do not.
am. What? Damn. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Gas station.
I'm not gonna lie to you. This shit is pretty.
Gas station.
This shit's pretty scary. This is a jump scare. I got a little scared. Everyone's out of the parking lot. I guess we should go. But anyways, Changbin. Bye.
Doom.